hood on today. I'm wearing a 3 mil suit, but this water's still pretty chilly. Last time I was in here a couple days ago, it was about 54 to 55 degrees, but a nice warm day today. Sock? Not ours. Oh, Pumas. Alright, man. Surprised there's not much garbage here. Got a couple more cans to get, and I'll be moving on to the next beach. Good exercise. I don't have my gear on. I'm just gonna walk the beach and try to find some trash here. Alright, we got some plastic here. Or something. Some kind of bag. This looks like a clip for a belt or something. Oh, I don't think this isn't coming up. It kind of, oh, I got some of it off. Better than nothing. Guess I'll have to stay there for now. Oh, it's everywhere. It's a big chunk stuck here. What we got here? Someone shoving a bag in here. Full of junk. Some plastic here. A bit of trash in the water here. Oh, got some plastic here. Put that in there. We got a can here. Put that in there. Some bubble wrap. A can. Plastic. Some more plastic here. I don't think I like it. What's rounded brown? It's in this bag. Yuck. Oh, hey, I got this beach pretty cleaned up. Probably about 5-6 cans, some plastic. Let's get out of here. Not done yet. A little bit more trash here. Well, it looks like today there's an art fair going on here at the marina. A lot of people down here. I'm gonna go down to the beach over here, see if there's any trash, clean it up. I don't know if this is considered trash. It's looks good, kinda.